Helo, siwmai. Croeso nôl. Dyma'r ail rhan, Uned 10, the second part of Unit 10. Mae'r gwaith, mae popeth yn tudalen 80, 81, 80 and 81, and we're looking at gwneud in the future using the third person, so naming a person, and also looking at us, you in the plural, and them. So mae'r translations, they're all there, so we just go through the blocks, tudalen 80 ac 81. So, dechrau gyda gwnaeth Ceri chwarae criced. Ceri will play cricket. Gwnaeth Ceri chwarae criced. Iawn. Felly, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Repeat after me. Gwnaeth Ceri chwarae criced. Gwnaeth Sam chwarae sboncen. Gwnaeth Nerys nofio. Gwnaeth Joe ddysgu judo. Yeah? Just go through those again if you would repeat. Yeah? Gwnaeth Ceri chwarae criced. Gwnaeth Sam chwarae sboncen. Gwnaeth Nerys nofio. Gwnaeth Joe ddysgu judo. Nesaf, yn ni'n edrych a ni, us, yeah? And the form is gwnawn ni, we will, yeah? Gwnawn ni. Felly tudalen 81, gwnawn ni yrru adre, we will drive home. Gwnawn ni yrru, we will drive, gwnawn ni yrru adre. Gwnawn ni yrru adre. Gwnawn ni gerdded adre. Gwnawn ni ymlacio. Gwnawn ni goginio. In speech you may hear that the G and possibly the W won't be pronounced very strongly. So gwnawn ni yrru adre, nawn ni yrru adre. Yeah, felly, something to listen out for. Nesaf, chi. We did look at it in the last part, the first part of the unit. So chi, wnewch chi. Yeah? Gyda'r cwestiwn, beth, what. So beth wnewch chi, what will you do? Beth wnewch chi. So eto, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Beth wnewch chi nawr? Beth wnewch chi nesaf? Beth wnewch chi yfory? Beth wnewch chi ar ôl y dosbarth? And as we did gwneud in the first part of this unit, I'll do that with you now. So please, if you could, ailadroddwch eto, but we'll use neud this time. Yeah? Beth wneud nawr? Beth wneud nesaf? Beth wneud yfory? Beth wneud ar ôl y dosbarth? Ac yn olaf, yn yr uned yma, finally, we're looking at them. Gwna'n nhw, gwna'n nhw, they will. Felly, tudalen 81, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Gwna'n nhw e-bostio pawb. Gwna'n nhw addurno'r ystafell. Gwna'n nhw brynu anrheg. Gwna'n nhw bobi cacen. Yeah? So in this unit you've looked over the different forms of gwneud. in the future tense. So cofiwch edrych ar y help llaw. Mae help llaw yn yr uned ar dudalen 87, where it's all explained there. Okay? Nesaf i chi, uned 11, unit 11. Pob hwyl!